All right. Here's the way we're starting. It's Friday about 9:30 in the morning. Hurricane Ike is out in the Gulf. And supposedly it's supposed to be ugly, so we're gonna see. Signing off. Alright, it is about 4:30. I don't think Chuck Yeager's boat's gonna make it. Well, it ain't looking good. And looking I'm hoping that the worst is over. It's hard to... There's what's left of the boathouse. There's the pier. There's Yeager's boat. What you get for not taking it out. I got posts standing, so I'm hopeful. There's something there. Something there to rebuild. Tide's gone. Substantial. Baby. Victory now. Alright, I'm on the road. Well, this is in front of Chuck Yeager's house. That's as far as we're going here. Where that is, that's the first road down.